boys and girls. We are cooking right along in that week. Well, sort of the second week of May, first full week of May, and we passed that middle of the day week. It was yesterday. It was the middle day of the week. Right, it was Wednesday. So what will tomorrow be? Or what's today? Let's see. If yesterday was Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, tomorrow must be, that's right, good job, Thursday. And I know that you know what comes after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see, let's say the date. Today is Thursday, May 6th, 2021. Guess what tomorrow is? Yeah, that's right. Tomorrow's Friday. It's the last day of the week you have school. All right. Now, we've been talking about fair share, and I've got 2 friends up here. I've got a blue friend and a red friend. And we're going to divide up some shapes with them today and make sure that they get their fair share of shapes. All right. So, I got my shapes down here, and whenever you want to share something with someone, it's best to do, give one person one and then the other person one. It's best to do it that way. Now, you could do it by 2s. That might make it interesting. I could give 2 to my blue person. Well, I can't give it to him if it's on the floor. Right. Then I would have to give 2 to my red person at the same time, so that it's still a fair share, right? I can't just give him 1 or it's not a fair share anymore, because it would be 2 to 1. If you're going to do it by 2s, you have to give them both 2 at the same time. So, gave him 2, gave him 2. Let's see. Let's give my blue friend 2 more. Now, can I just give my red friend 1? I don't think so. I think I have to give my red friend 2. Or it wouldn't be fair, right? Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 here for my blue friend. So there better be 4 down here if I want it to be a fair share. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so far fair share. Let's see. Now, let's give my blue friend 2 rectangles. And let's give my red friend 2 squares. Now there's 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. They both still have a fair share, right? Can you count by 2s? 2, 4, 6. What comes next? Let's find out. Let's give my blue friend 2 more, and we'll count them by 2s. And let's give my red friend 2 more, and we'll count them by 2s. Okay, ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see if red friend has 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. He does. Let's count them all together and see how many shapes I gave out, and let's count them by 2s. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You counted by 2s all the way to 16. And my friends have a fair share. They have equal amounts. All right, now remember our sight words into and of. Remember, into is those 2 little words in and to smashed together. And our other word is of. So let's see what we can write with those today. Let's see. Sometimes when you're going somewhere, everybody's in a hurry, okay? And your dad might say, "Get in the car," okay? Because maybe you didn't brush your teeth fast enough, or you didn't get your coat on right, and you're in a hurry. So let's write, get in the car. Let's write get into, because you have to get inside the car, right? Get into the car. So get is an ET word. So what does get start with? G. I need a capital G. And if it's an ET word, it ends in get, we're going to use into. Go smash those two little words together and make into. Get into, you know how to spell the, T-H-E. Now, car is another word that has that k sound at the beginning. Okay? I wonder if it's C or K. Well, you kind of have to know. It's one of those things that it sounds like it could be C or K because they could both say K. But I'll tell you, it's C. Okay? C-A-R. Car. Now, your dad might have said it a little bit excited. Get into the car. So what kind of a mark do you think might need to go there? Yeah, it might need an exclamation mark. All right, get into the car. Then you say, but, and then your dad says, we don't have a lot of time. Okay, we don't have a lot of, my new sight word, time. In other words, we're going to be late if you don't get in the car. Okay? We, you know how to spell we. We need a capital W at the beginning. W-E. Now, don't is two words put together. It's do and not. And we leave out the O, we put a little apostrophe there. D-O-N apostrophe T. We don't have. Do you remember how to spell have? It's H-A-V-E. We don't have a, and lot, we wrote that on Tuesday, L-O-T. We don't have a lot, new sight word, of time. What do you think time starts with? I hear T at the beginning, and then I hear a long I. Time. I hear M, and then I know if that said its own name, then there's probably a silent E on the end that made it say I. We don't have a lot of time. If he's still saying it a little bit excitedly, you might need another. Yeah. And maybe that means you need to hurry. Have a great day.